Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change language on a Google Assistant. Okay, first of all, we can open our Google application on our phone. This is my Google application and I'm going to open it. And after we have our Google application opened, we can go to our profile. We can tap on this profile button and we're going to open the Google setting. This one, tap on the settings option, and here you can scroll down until you find the Google Assistant setting. Okay, and since we want to change the language on Google Assistant, we can tap on the languages right here. And here we can change the Google Assistant language. I'm going to change the language from Indonesian language to English language. So we can tap on this option. And I'm going to go with English language. Okay, and now the Google Assistant language has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change language on the Google Assistant. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.